So in this question here, a droplet of water is ejected vertically by a geyser at a starting speed of 30 meters per second. The height that it will reach in t seconds is given by the equation h equals negative 5t squared plus 30t. What is the maximum height reached by the droplet? So again, I hear maximum height. That means I'm going to find my vertex. So just to keep organized, h is your height, and that is in meters. T is equal to your time, and that is in seconds. And I want to find my vertex. So to do that, I'm going to complete the square. So whatever number is in front of your variable squared, we're going to factor that out first. So negative 5t squared divided by negative 5 is t squared. 30t divided by negative 5 is negative 6t, and I'll leave a little bit of space there. So back to my grid, I have a t squared, and then I take my middle term of negative 6t, and I split it into two equal pieces. So factoring by GCF, in my first row, I know I have a t. In my first column, I also have a t. So t times t is t squared. To get negative 3t, this has to be a negative 3, because negative 3 times t is negative 3t. This here also has to be a negative 3, because t times negative 3 is negative 3t. So what completes the square is negative 3 times negative 3, or positive 9. So I will add and subtract 9 inside the brackets. Remember, 9 minus 9, that's just 0, so I have not changed the value of the question. You can add 0 to anything without changing its value. So I'm going to write this now, but I'm going to take my my second term out. I just want to focus on my perfect square trinomial here, which I know factors as t minus 3 squared, because it's t minus 3 times t minus 3. I have a negative 5 on the outside. So what I want to focus on is taking this term outside. So negative 5 times negative 9 is positive 45. So positive 45 on the outside. So I wanted to state my vertex. Now that I've completed the square, I can do that. So opposite on the inside, my vertex is 3, and straight up on the outside is 45. So my vertex is 3 and 45. Now it is opening down, so since it's opening down, I know I in fact have a maximum value. So this is what the max or min is. This is when the max or min occurs. So in the context of this question, I know that my maximum height is 45 meters. And when does it occur? It takes a time of 3 seconds to reach that maximum height. Let me just make sure I answered my question. So looking at this, I wanted to find my maximum height. There it is. And it didn't ask me for how long, but now you know it took 3 seconds to reach the maximum height. So then I know I'm done my question.